Today I would like to look at what modern science has discovered regarding our identity in recent decades. There were some studies at the Oak Ridge Atomic Research Center that revealed that about 98% of all the atoms in a human body are replaced every year. So you get a new suit of skin every month and a new liver every 6 weeks. The lining of the stomach lasts only 5 days before it is replaced. Even your bones are not the solid, stable structures you might have thought them to be. They are undergoing constant change. The bones you have today are different from the bones you had a year ago. Many people believe that a person is the brain or some part of the brain. You might have thought that a possibility before, perhaps. If so, the following might astound you. Recent studies on the turnover of the molecular population within a given nerve cell have indicated that their macromolecular contingent is renewed about 10,000 times in a lifetime. In other words, the matter making up each brain cell is completely renewed every 3 days. Your brain, that mass of matter which is contained in your skull today, is not the same brain that was in the skull last week. Experts in this area of research have concluded that there is a complete 100% turnover of atoms in the body at least every 5 years. Not one single atom present in the body today was there 5 years ago. We all remember being in our bodies decades ago when it was very small. Since then the body has undergone several transformations. Sometimes we even have trouble recognizing people who we haven't seen for 10 or 20 years. Although the body keeps on changing, I remember being there throughout all those changes. This shows that I was not the atoms and molecules which made up the body many years ago. We can thus conclude both scripture and science agree that the living beings are made of a different energy than matter.